Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level grammar lesson. We're continuing to work on the verb to be in the simple present form, but today we're going to be talking about the question form. Alright, so we're going to ask him some questions and he's going to give the answers. So what is your name? I am William. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a university student. So to change the to be verb into the question form, we simply reverse the order. So the positive form, I am, becomes am I in the question form. You are becomes are you. He is becomes is he. She is she. It is becomes is it. We are changes to are we. And they are changes to are they. So we'll talk about the construction of questions. So are you tired again? So we have the to be verb, then the subject, then the adjective, and then this is an adverb. But we would not say, are tired you again. So the subject has to come right after the to be verb. Is he happy with his new teacher? So again, we've got the to be verb, the subject, the adjective, and then here we have a prepositional phrase. But you would not say, is happy he with his new teacher? So make sure that you are constructing your questions in the correct word order. Okay, so see if you can match the sentences with the pictures. Are they very fast runners? Well, that would go with picture B. Is he a very old man? Picture C. And is he a tall man? Picture A. Is that woman angry? Be picture B. Is she your daughter? Picture C. And is she your mother? Picture A. Is that your house? Picture C. Is that your car? Picture A. Are your shoes clean? Picture B. All right, now we're going to talk about who, what, where, when, why, and how. And these are sometimes referred to as the WH words or the question words. And we use these often to ask for information type questions. So who is used for questions about people? Who is at the door? Who is your teacher this year? What is used for questions about things? What is the capital of the United States? What is the biggest city in the United States? When is used for questions about time. When is your first class today? When is your lunch break today? Where is used for questions about a place. Where is your hometown? Where is your house? Why is used as the reason for something. Why is your back sore? Why are you so late? And how is used for the way you do something and the general condition of someone or something. So how is your father? We would be asking about his condition or his health. And how is the weather today? Again, general condition. So this is a summary. Who is used for people? Example, who is that man? What is used for things? What is that? When for time. When is the party? Where for places. Where is Madrid? Why, the reason. Why is he upset? And how, the way you do something and the general condition of something or someone. So how is the food? So now see if you can make some of your own questions from these pictures. Again, you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. Now for these, you're going to choose the correct WH word. You may have to look at the answer to the question to get a clue as to which WH word you should use. But go ahead and try those on your own and restart when you're ready to check your answers. So number one would be, where is the party tonight? It is at my friend's house, because my friend's house is a place, so we know that's a where question. Number two, when is Christmas? It is on December 25th each year. December 25th is a day or time, so that we use a when question. Who is your teacher? Mr. Sam is my teacher, so Mr. Sam is a person, so we know that's a who question. And why are you late? There was traffic, so the traffic was the reason that the person was late, so that's a why question. Why are you happy? I passed my exam. So again, the reason for her happiness is passing the exam. How is your mother? She is very well. So this is talking about the mother's general condition or health. What are the most famous Italian foods? Spaghetti and lasagna. So spaghetti and lasagna are things. So we use what. And what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Lion King. So a movie, again, is a thing, so that's why we use what. So now see if you can find some answers to these questions. The first one is done for you. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. So go ahead and try the others on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, is the movie scary? Yes, the movie is scary. Where are you from? I am from Chicago. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. And how is your father? He is very well. Now, see if you can ask some questions about these pictures. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. Now, ask Julia some questions about herself. Again, you can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So if we want to know Julia's age, we could say, how old are you? Or another way to say that would be, what is your age? Are you married or single? Another way to ask that would be, what is your marital status? For hometown, you could say, what is the name of your hometown? Or you could also ask, where are you from? Here, what is your favorite sport? And for job, we can ask this several ways. You could say, what is your job? Where do you work? What do you do? Again, try to ask Sarah some questions. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then recheck or restart when you're ready to check. So we could say, how old are you? And for grade, what grade are you in? So what is your favorite pastime? What is your favorite sport? And where are you from? All right, now you're going to create some questions for these answers. So you'll need to read the answers first and then construct the question. So the answer here is they are very well. And so the question would be, how are your children doing? So pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So it is around the corner. So the question would be, where is the bakery located? The answer, I got a parking ticket. So the question would be, why are you angry? Here the answer, I have Mr. Michael. So the question would be, who is your teacher this year? And the answer, it is next weekend. The question would be, when is your party? I think it has healed. So the question would be, how is your wrist? So no, I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. So this would be one where you need to start with the to be verb because it has a no answer. Yes or no questions always start with the verb. So this one would be, are you from Minnesota? The answer, I like to watch baseball. So the question would be, what is your favorite sport to watch on TV? I like Michael Jackson. The question would be, who is your favorite singer? Now we'll talk a little bit about contractions. If you want to contract what is, you can change that to what's. Who is whose. Where is where's. And how is how's. So who's your favorite teacher? Mr. Morris is my favorite teacher. Where's my wallet? It is upstairs. How's your headache? It is fine. So now see if you can make a suitable question for each answer. So for name, what's your name? So go ahead and try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, so profession could be what do you do? or what is your job? Married or single? It could be a yes or no question. Are you married or single? What is your nationality? For age, how old are you? Is your husband a doctor? Okay. All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.